Alright, we got here. This is a bad buy. I need to stick to just getting stuff from the scrapyard because what we have here is a motorized bicycle. I thought it was a better buy than what it was. Spent 80 bucks and then find out that this thing had been in water. I should have known. You just make some bad choices, and this was one of them. It might be repairable though. I'm gonna give it a shot. Alrighty. So the condition of the piston and cylinder, there is some scoring on it, but all in all, I think it's pretty decent. Once I get all this rust and stuff off, that looks pretty bad. I'd say we'd be able to get it going. It might not run great, but I want to at least get something out of it. And then too, this is not good either. Let's see, where did I? Where's the part that's broke? Okay. The piston doesn't look too bad. I'm going to clean it all up. That doesn't look great right there. So I'm going to fill that up with JB Weld. Put that bolt back in. I hate it. These bearings are no good. The bearings on this side are no good. I hate it when somebody sells something. There's no problems with it. Probably knew that it was. Hopefully, I'll be able to change out these seals. This would be the clutch or the torque converter. That might be decent, but that's no good. Hopefully, I have the bearing for that.